Welcome to the Franklin Park Public Library presentation of Little Red Riding Hood Fairy Tale Problem Solving STEM Kit, brought to you by Youth Services Librarians, Miss Michelle and Miss Joann.
Hi everyone, it's Miss Michelle and
Hi, I'm Miss Joann.
And we're from the Franklin Park Public Library, and today we're going to be talking about the Fairy Tales Problem Solving Kit with Little Red Riding Hood today. So let's see what's inside.
I'm so excited.
I know, let's see.
It's so much fun.
Okay, so we have looks like the instruction guide. That would be a good one to look at with our parents or grown-ups. Let's see.
What do we got here?
Oh, so we have some apples. Looks like these kind of look like
you can build
they're rubber. I don't know. It looks like maybe something we're gonna have to build.
And then let's see, what do we got here? We got a Little Red Riding Hood character.
Hey, her cape is just like yours.
Yeah, that's so awesome.
Who else do we have?
Let's see. We have the grandma story.
Perfect. Uh-oh.
And then who else do we have?
Oh no, who's that? We have the big bad wolf.
Oh no. Maybe we want to put, look, it's Little Red Riding Hood. It's the story.
Oh, that's so cool. I have in my hands, it looks like the instructions. And it looks like this tells us that we need to plan and test maybe our creation, our building.
Yeah, maybe.
Our structure.
It looks like we actually need to make some kind of plan before we start building.
Yeah, maybe we need to sketch it first.
Yeah, let's do that.
Okay, awesome. So it looks like we have our sketch, we have our plan. What should we do next?
Maybe we need to grab some of these and try to make the plan
And
out
actually
of
create
these
it.
spaces.
Yeah, let's do it. Okay, it looks like we have some longer pieces and some shorter pieces.
Yeah.
So we'll have to see how those work together.
So let's see. How do we connect them?
That's a good question. It looks kind of difficult.
Yeah. Let's see.
Oh, so it looks like it goes into the slot a little bit, and you kind of have to push and pull it a little bit. Like that?
I'll get there.
And it looks like there's some going both ways. So there's some going this way and some going vertical and horizontal. I wonder. Let's see. Okay, if we're going off of our...
So I think we need to put all of the apples that we have here. We have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 apples. So our basket should probably hold 10 apples.
So maybe we need to make a bottom.
Yeah, something to kind of put them in. Let's see here.
Should I do one more?
Let's see if that'll work.
Oh, it almost held it.
No.
Not
I think
quite.
we'll have to put a little bit more in.
Okay, maybe, should I have one going the opposite direction? Like a crisscross? Let's try that.
Let's see. Oh, we got one in. Let's see.
Nice.
Ooh.
2. Oh, that's great. 3,
4, 5. Oh no, I don't think it's big enough.
What should we do next?
We couldn't get the 6th apple in. I wonder.
What do we need to do to our basket to make sure that we can fit all 10 apples in there?
I don't know.
What do you think?
Do you have
What should
any
we do?
ideas? I bet you could figure it out. All right, stop by the Kids Crossing desk to check out our Fairy Tale Problem Solving Red Riding Hood kit and see if you can make a better basket than ours turned out.
And don't forget, we have a lot of other amazing STEAM kits that you can also check out if you stop by the Kids Crossing desk.
Bye.
If you would like to check out the Little Red Riding Hood Fairy Tale Problem Solving STEM Kit or any other STEAM kit that we have available, please see the link in this video and posted below. And please watch the next video in this playlist to see how to make your paper plate and string basket. Thank you for watching and have fun!